Today I'm going to review the Beko mof20110x 20 litre microwave oven in stainless steel. As you can see, it's lovely and stylish with a mirrored door. Nice large handle with plenty of room to fit your fingers behind to open the door easily. As you open the door, you can see there's a light. This is handy for in a dimly lit room or in the dark. There is also a sticker at the top of the microwave oven with all the auto menu items for different programs inside. There is also a glass plate and a turning table to place your food for warming. To the right of the microwave, there is a programmable clock and timer with a large, easy to read display panel. The microwave panel level button has 5 levels. For precise cooking. It also has a 2-function defrost option for timer and for weight, and an handy built-in child safety locking feature. There is also a large dial to select your different power levels and auto menus located at the bottom at the right hand side. I heated up my porridge in this microwave this morning and it heated up perfectly and to exact the right temperature at the right amount of minutes that was required. All in all, this is a very good stylish microwave oven. It works well and is well worth the money. It looks nice and does its job. I would recommend this for any household.